Today I will share how to make this Independence Day trending photo editing in Canva. So to do that, I will show the easiest way. So you have to come to Google here and you have to search this one, AI Photo Independence Day ChatGPT editing images. Make sure you search the same thing here, okay, and just come to images here and search for the image you like. So for me, I am using this type of images, so I will just click on this website and it will take to this website, and you can find these images here and you can just download any image you want and use it. And for example, I am using this image, and you can just right click it and save images, and you can save it in your computer. Okay, so after that my main work starts here, which is if you want to do with your own image, how to do that. Okay, so for this I will go to Canva here and upload this image here. Okay, and for example, let's take this one as our photo example, and I want to use this image in this one, this face. So how to do that? I will just go to apps here, and here I will type reface and click on reface. And as you can see, you are getting every day 10 free credits. I have used one, so now it is showing 9 free credits. Okay, so you will be getting 10 free credits every day, and it is refreshing daily. Okay, so the original image will be this one. So click on this, use selected image, and face image will be this one. Okay, so I will use this one. Okay, and click on swap face. And as you can see, our editing is done. So this is the original image which I have used, and this is the face swapped image. As you can see, it is very much clear, and it is also keeping our main image intact and just using the facial expression of the original image. So how to use this? Click on add page, click on add to design. Okay, and just add it here. And if you want, you can here write Happy Independence Day and use it for your custom self photo editing in Canva. Okay, so let's add this Happy Independence Day. So I will write it here. Okay, so let's make all of the colors to white. Now let's bring it here and decrease the size. Let's make it to 42. Okay, let's keep it right here and change this one to something in handwriting. So this handsome ones looks good, so I will use this one, this Happy Independence Day, and let's change it to the same. So okay, now our design is ready, and you can use it for your own design and your custom image editing. So hope you like this tutorial, and this is a very easy one to follow, and you can make your own designs with this. And from this website you can just download any type of image you want, and you can edit your own image. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more unique tutorials like this. Thank you.